Let's find out if shampoo and conditioner bars are actually any good. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film I will be reviewing and trying out shampoo bars and conditioners. So if you want to find out how they work, what are they for, and if they're actually any good, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film we are going to be trying out and testing out shampoo bars and conditioners. Now you guys, they're all over social media, and for what they are brilliant. I mean, they are vegan, there's zero plastic waste on it, they're recyclable, and they're very, very good for environment. So I have 2 shampoos and 1 conditioner, and I've never tried a shampoo bar before or a conditioner, so it's going to be my very first time using it. Now you guys, the first shampoo bar I'm going to be talking about is Aveda Shampoo Bar. Now when it comes to Aveda, Aveda is known for being very natural and very good for the environment and all that. So in this product we do get 100 grams of product, and this shampoo retails for €17 and it is a limited edition. Now I don't know if 100 grams of a shampoo bar is a lot, because I mean regular shampoos and conditioners we usually get 200, 250, 300 mils. So I mean 100 grams, we'll see how much we gonna actually use on my hair. So I'm gonna open this up, and like that, it literally looks like a hand soap. That's basically what it is. It's basically a hand soap, but it is a shampoo. I mean, the shampoo smell is absolutely stunning, and it's just, it's gorgeous. So what can I tell you about this shampoo bar? It is a 95% naturally derived shampoo, and it is a weightless, nourishing shampoo that's going to gently cleanse your hair and your scalp. It does contain abscillic oil for nourishment. It is a color safe formula, and it's going to give you a long lasting nourishment. All the packaging used for Aveda is post-consumer packaging, and there is zero plastic waste on that. Now my first thought about a shampoo bar, I mean, when it comes to a shampoo bar, it'd be nice to get like a case for it or something if you keep it in your shower, because I know with bars, if you're gonna just have it under the shower and the water's gonna run through it, you're gonna waste a lot of product. I don't know if you're familiar with Lush, but I know Lush does like massage bars and they're absolutely stunning, but you can actually get like a metal case for it and keep your bar in it. So that would be something to consider, because I mean, I don't know how to feel about putting that back in it and just keeping it in your shower. Right, moving on, the next shampoo bar I will be talking about is Gentle Cleanse Shampoo Bar by 11 Australia. 11 Australia is no stranger to this channel. I did review their products before, and in this shampoo bar we get 100 grams of products for €19, which to me is like, would I pay 17 for Aveda or 19 for 11 Australia? Now let's open this up, and inside we do get a nice bar. Okay, so in consistency that bar actually seems a lot more chalkier, waxier than, let's say, the Aveda one. This one is a lot more smoother, when this one is chalkier. And it'd be actually nice to have a little logo on this so we actually know what it is. So if your ma is in the shower or your brother's in the shower, they're not going to start using it on their face or their body. This is an everyday shampoo that's going to gently cleanse your scalp and your hair, and it's going to add nourishment. It is packed with argan oil, shea butter and jojoba. So like that, we have nice nourishing ingredients, and it has a beautiful peachy smell to it. Also from 11 Australia we got Gentle Hydrate Conditioner Bar by 11 Australia. So this is a conditioner that goes with the shampoo, and in this one we get 70 grams of conditioner, and it also retails for €19, which to me is like, come on, it's 70 grams of product, which is very little. So let's open this up, and this is actually packed in paper, and like that, all of those shampoo bars are zero waste packaging, and everything is recyclable and post-consumer. Okay, so this feels actually a lot more smoother. It's more like this, so it is a lot more smoother, and we do get that nice peachy smell. And like that, this shampoo is also packed with argan oil, jojoba and shea butter for hydration, and it's gonna hydrate your lovely hair and your scalp. Now my thoughts about 11 Australia, I would definitely like to see a logo on this. Why? Because if that's just going to be in your shower, right, and someone comes in, God knows what they're going to use. They might even wash their body with their conditioner. But yeah, that's just my opinion. So you guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go off camera and I'm going to shampoo my hair. And today I think I'm actually going to use Aveda shampoo because I actually like shampoo from Aveda and the smell is absolutely beautiful. And I'm actually going to try the 11 Australia conditioner because I've never heard of seeing anyone using a conditioner bar. So you guys, see you in a minute. Right you guys, my hair is saturated. So the way you can apply this is you can either rub it in your hands like so, or you can directly apply it to your scalp. Now it's going to be very interesting to see how much you're supposed to use because it's not like regular shampoo that you're going to use a pump or two. So I would actually advise you to do it in your hands and then apply it to your scalp. So let's just rub that in and see if it's going to work because this is not really working. Okay. This is not working. So. Now we're getting so surprised. See, you just need a bit more water. Okay, so. It's definitely sodden up. Now, my worry would be is how much you should use of that actually, to get a nice lather. Okay, it is lathering very, very nicely and like that. My hair was rather dirty, so it is lathering really, really nicely. So the shampoo smells absolutely gorgeous and it feels actually really, really nice on the scalp. It doesn't feel harsh or anything, but it is lathering really, really nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse that off. I'm going to carry out a second shampoo in my bathroom and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to apply the conditioner and see how the conditioner actually applies on the camera. So you guys, give me 2 seconds. So you guys, I'm back and my hair is shampooed using Shampoo Bar by Aveda. There's loads of R's or shampoos going on around there. Right, so what can I tell you? Now, my hair does not feel amazing, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't feel extremely hydrated. It is definitely an everyday shampoo. But if you have major hair concerns, I'll be quite wary about it. Now, so let's take conditioner. And this conditioner should be applied either directly onto your hair or onto your palms and then spread to the ends. But like that, we don't want to get conditioner on our scalp. So for people like me, it is rather tricky. So let's just pray to God that this is gonna work. Okay, so I'm just gonna work that into my hair. Yes, right. See, we're not getting that. It is definitely something you'd have to use if you're in the shower. Okay. So let's try just apply that. See, I'd be afraid with them products that you'd overdo it and you'd use too much because you just don't know how much to use. I'm afraid putting it on the ends. Yeah, so now it feels like my hair is soft, but like that, I don't know how much I should apply. I just keep putting more and more on because I just don't know. Like, I mean, that's a lot of conditioner, I think, isn't it? Right, let's bring that through. Okay, my hair feels a lot softer. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of getting used to it because it is a different product. And as you can see, there's a bit of curl coming into my hair because I did get my hair permed, because as you all know, my hair is lanky and straight and I just want a bit more oomph. So when I blow dry, it just sits better. So if you'd like to learn more about perms, please let me know in the comment section down below. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to rinse that really well, I'm going to come back, I'm going to put some styling products into it, blow dry it, and I'm going to give you my final thoughts about shampoo bars and conditioners. My hair is shampooed and conditioned and everything. Now, it definitely does feel a lot softer after using the conditioner. Now, is it extremely hydrated? I'm not too sure. Now, I definitely think for my blonde bit, it's not strong enough. It's definitely not strong enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Siri Expert 10-in-1 repair. I'm just going to spray that in. Bring that through my hair. Just for a bit of heat protection. And then I'm going to grab my 11 Australia Sea Salt spray, texture spray. I'm going to spray that in a generous amount. I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to blow dry my hair. We're going to put a bit of styling product and we're going to talk about everything. And we are fully blow dried, you guys. Now I finished styling my hair using the dry finish texture spray by 11 Australia, and that's actually a really good texture spray. Now let's talk about the shampoo bars. When it comes to the Aveda shampoo bar, I think the smell is absolutely brilliant. I mean, 17 quid for 100 grams of shampoo. I mean, it's not the worst, especially when it's Aveda. Now, if your hair is extremely dry or you have any hair concerns, I don't think this would be actually for you, because like that, even with my hair was short, it did make it feel rough. It wasn't as soft as it would normally be after shampoo. And so overall, I think if your hair is just normal to, let's say, slightly dry, yeah, perfect. It's brilliant. I love the concept behind it. I mean, it's brilliant for the earth. It's brilliant for the environment. It is vegan. What else could we ask for? Now, I would be a bit considerate about product waste, because like that, you don't know how much you have to use this. So that would be my issue. But I mean, if your hair is normal to dry, yeah, perfect. If your hair is anyway dry, sensitized, or if you have any other hair concerns, this is a big no. When it comes to the 11 Australia products, now we have the shampoo and we have the conditioner. I did not try the shampoo, but I mean, €19 for 100 grams of shampoo that doesn't even have a logo that it tells you that it's a shampoo. It's a bit, I don't know, but I will definitely try it out. When it comes to the conditioner, I mean, 70 grams of product for €19. It is a bit like, come on you guys. And did it make my hair amazingly soft? No, it didn't. Like, look at it this way. My hair is short, right? My hair is short. It is sensitized around here. It is permed here. Like, it's not overly sensitized, but it is short. If your hair was anywhere longer unsensitized, I don't think this conditioner would do much. But it did make my hair soft, so I can't really fault it at the same time. Overall, I do think the shampoo bars are a good idea. I mean, they're brilliant for environment like that. It's something different. It's something new, and it's going to be harder for you to get used to, because like that, we've never used it before. If you've used shampoo bars before, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Would you use them? Would you like to use them? And is this something that you like or you dislike? Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please take care. Bye.